the other Hurricanes. And here we go. Pronger right away with the pass through the middle. That's knocked down by Commodore. Pushing and shoving right off the bat. Torres and Commodore. There's the first hit of the game by Schmidt. Here's the second by Williams, and Brind'Amour is in there too. That's a sign of things to come here in Game 6. Look out. Stay with us. Whitney up. Fake the shot. Shovels it off to the corner. Back out near the line. It's grabbed again by Recchi. Another hard hit in there at the far side, and Whitney and Recchi are together. Back to the line. Pronger flipped it ahead over the stick. Hemsky knocked it down. Had to move in a hurry. Now he's caught. Two pipe go on to him, but he got it in. Murray, pass. No shot. Murray made the pass instead of the shot. Now he has it behind the goal. Here's Hemsky. He wasn't ready for that pass. Hemsky again steps up a little bit. Hemsky looks back to the blue line to Pronger. He hangs on to it. Comes to the net. Deals it off. Back to Hemsky. He's got to do more than this. Hemsky again. Centering pass. Oh, fanning on it was Samsonov. He had the empty net and fanned on it. Hemsky fired in Samsonov. Hemsky again. The two of them. Now Hemsky stepping up. Coming in. Hems right in front. And that's stopped by Ward. And it's Horcoff trying to center, and he can't. He's caught. Nearly a break. The goalie's got to come out. Harkinen. He's out of the net. Great block. Another chance in front of the goal. Harkinen is back in. They got away with that one. It was exciting, but dangerous. Shooting it back into Stillman. He centered it. That's intercepted, but grabbed again. And it'll be cleared out by Jarrett Stoll of Edmonton. Down he goes. Keeps going and tries the shot. Rebound. Boy, that was close. A good chance for Edmonton. Now Pisani is on the ice, and here's Hemsky with Pisani over here to spot check. Backed off to the line. Pronger shoved the puck ahead. Power play, Edmonton spot check. Shoots. Rebound. And it's kept in at the line. Pronger was waiting there. It gets in front of the net. Score. Pisani. 1-0. Edmonton. The power play works. Their third of the night, and it's 1-0. Pisani again.
Pisani, who had 2 goals in Game 5, scores the first one in this game with a backhand that slid by a couple of players, and then it was anything but a hard shot. It hit Wesley. It hit Wesley's skate, and I think went off the goalpost. So it proves that a shot is never a bad play. And it was anything but a special shot by Pisani, but he got it at the net. And look what happened. 1-0 Oilers.
Coming up is Samsonov. Hemsky brings it in. Hemsky turning it back. Looking up the line and had to back it up off the boards. Now spot check the penalty over in the shot. Rebound. Hemsky sees it in the corner and takes it. Now fires it in front. Samsonov. He waited, shot it, and that's stopped by Ward. And it'll be cleared to Dvorak again. One man back. Dvorak coming in, waiting for help, finds it. Stole, and that's stopped by Ward off his glove, and it's still in there. Edmonton pressing now. Brind'Amour again keeps it in. Here's a chance for Williams, and he's bumped off the puck before he could get a shot. Good physical work by Edmonton in there. However, the puck is rolling out to center. There goes Pekka. He can't get through. Pekka keeps going, though, looking for the puck and gets it. Backed it up around the net. Pisani has it. Pisani and Pekka. Back to the line it goes. The long shot. Score! It'll be Torres. 2-0. Edmonton. Great work by Mike Pekka, let me tell you.
Absolutely. He did all the spade work. He jumped in early to put the heat on the Carolina defenseman and recovered the puck. Back to the point. Pekka goes to the front of the net, and it's tipped in by Torres, who gets away from Coverley to get a stick on this shot by Stale. There it is right there. No chance for Ward. The tip in went right between his legs, and the score 2-0 Oilers.
2:22 left to play in the second period here in a noisy Rexall Place in Edmonton. And their Oilers are flying again. Hemsky brought it in over the line and did it himself to get it in deep. Hauled it off to one side. Stays open and takes the pass. Now looks back to the blue line. However, he finds a man open in the corner, and there it goes. Out front, spot check. Just missed with a low shot. Pekka has it again. He set the first one up. In there is Hemsky. And here's Pronger. Fires. That stop. Rebound. Oh! That stop. Is it cleared? No. Pronger stops it. Hemsky again cutting up. And Pekka had to go off a stick in front of him. And he couldn't stop it, but Pronger does at the line. Pronger waits for somebody to catch up. And now throws it in deep. Pekka stands back at the line. Comes in a bit to Smith. He stopped. Got the puck back though, and Pronger had to hurry that one. Got it ahead softly. Pekka rinked wide nearly. Spot check in there. Hemsky out. And the pass right in front. Another big stop by Cam Ward. Face off, won by Carolina. They got a chance to get one more shot in this power play. Pauline in front, it goes! And Markkanen is down! And he hangs onto it. Boy, they stormed the net in a hurry. And the Oilers are trying to let them know now they don't want the goalie stormed like that. Markkanen is slow getting up.
Well, the puck was in the crease, and it was loose for a while. And when the puck's in there, everybody can go in.
And they get the line. Fired in front by Williams. That's broken up in a 2-on-1 Edmonton again. Samsonov coming down with Dvorak, and a third up. Samsonov, Dvorak. Oh, what a play! And Ward down to hang on to that.
You can go to a lot of hockey games, especially the spot Carolina's in, because the next goal will kill them, I think. And a 3-on-1 rush that was nicely executed by the Oilers. And what a stop on this pass across to keep this game at 2-0.
Is under review as we look at it once again for you at home. Is this glove with the puck over the line? It sure looks like it from that angle, but it's tough to tell.
You got to see the puck. That's the problem. Part of the glove's over the line, but is the puck over the line? I don't think they're going to be able to count that. It's awful close, but the puck has to be all the way over the line.
Their first goal came on a power play. Bazzani got that. Torres the other. 2 goals scored in the second period. And now power play. Edmonton starting off deep. Through the middle is Mike Pekka. Ryan Smith up with him. Smith gets in. Shoots. Scores. What a goal by Ryan Smith. Power play. Smith, solo effort, a beauty.
Give Michael Pekka credit for being a major reason on this goal. He passed the puck to Smith and then right down the middle to the net. There it is, right down the middle. And then Smith steps inside Ward, and Wesley, who had to take Pekka, had no chance to pick Smith up. And the Oilers, 3-0.
Here comes Smith. Gets the pass. Takes a look. Makes a beautiful move. And the backhand. Up to Rod Brind'Amour. Coming off the boards. Tapped away and out again. Pull fell. Bazzani's got a break. He poked it up there too far. There's going to be a penalty called. We'll watch the referee back there. Here's the call. Stahl was on a break. And the penalty was called for hooking. And that will be cleared to center. 16 seconds left in the Whitney penalty. Oilers turn one more time. Dvorak takes the pass. Cuts in on the backhand. Score! Hurkal! 4-0. We are going 7. No doubt about it. It is 4-0, and they won't catch him.
No, they won't catch him. Horkoff, who had 1 goal in the last 5 games, Takes a nice little pass here from Dvorak, and he snaps it in from 11 feet out.
This crowd is having a ball at Rexall Place. The crowd is roaring this one out. 20 seconds left in regulation. Edmonton gonna win this one in great fashion. Let's listen now. Coming up for the Stanley Cup Monday night. The Carolina Hurricanes shut out tonight in spades by the upstart Edmonton Oilers. The 8th place team in the Western Conference are going to the 7th game of the Stanley Cup